Cami, and today I'm going to be showing you how I got all of these clothes 100% for free, and how you can too. So basically there's an app called Flip that will send you clothes to try on, and you can earn credits on the app that you can use to buy clothes for free. So here's my box for this week. I've gotten 3 boxes from them so far, and on this rack are some of the clothes that I've already gotten for free, and also some clothes that I got in this box that I potentially could get for free. So basically with this box they send you a little card full of everything you need to know, and this is just basically inviting you into the program. So because I am a content creator for them, they actually send me more items than they would send to someone who is not, so they sent me 14 items total. Also in this they send you a return shipping label, because you do send back the things that you decide not to keep, and then you pay for whatever you decide that you want to keep. They also do include a piece of little tape for you to tape up the box to send back, so you don't have to provide tape for yourself. So that is all that is in the little card that they send. Now let me show you the box. So here's the box. So basically on the top of it they have a little handle for you to easily be able to carry it, which is nice. And then on the bottom of it, it basically tells you how it works. And then you put the return shipping label right on this side, and then you open up the box like this. And then that would be the inside of the box, but I've already unboxed it. But these are all of the items. Some of them are ones they sent me before. The rest of them are ones that they sent me this time. Typically, if you are a regular creator, then you can go through the items on the app and add them to your closet. And the ones that you add to the closet is the ones that they choose from to send it to you. And they'll just send 7 to 9 items from your closet. So basically, like I'm showing you right now, you can flip through clothes and decide which ones you like or dislike. The likes and dislikes give you credits, which will show up in the corner of the screen. So that's how I was able to get all the credits that I do have now. So now let's talk about how you can actually get these clothes 100% for free. Like these clothes, I paid $0 for all 4 of these pieces. So basically how the app works is that you will pay momentarily $20 for them to ship a box to you. As soon as they get the box back, they will refund you that $20. It is basically just a holding fee. You get it back 100%. So these 2 items are from my first box. It's a skirt and a jumpsuit. So in my second box, I decided to keep these shorts and this dress. So now how do you order a box? It's pretty easy. So you go onto the app. You would swipe through the clothes, add things to your closet if you like them. So then you will go to order a box. In the top right corner, I actually already have a box ordered, which is the one I have right now. And then for non-content creators, you have 5 days to check out. You keep the box for 5 days. You can wear and model the clothes and take pictures for the app within those 5 days. And then on the 5th day, you package up clothes that you don't want, and then you send them back. For me, I get 20 days because I have to take quality pictures to upload onto the app, but typically you would just go and you could upload any photo that you wanted. And then here are some of the items that I already have posted. So it'll just show up like this. I should actually move aside, sorry. And then these first items were from when I wasn't a content creator. And then the next ones are from when I was, and that's basically all that you do. So now that I've told you how you can get these clothes yourself, I'm going to be showing you the items that I got in my recent box, and then I'm going to decide, of course, which ones I want to keep 100% for free. So these are all clothes that you could get for free on the app. So the first item is actually jewelry, and it is a 18 karat gold plated cross Huggies. The brand is 8 Other Reasons, and these would be $30. So here they are. I'm not sure what they mean by Huggies, but by the look of them, they looked more like earrings than anything else. They're just little cross dangly earrings. Here's what they look like. These are actually becoming more of a thing that you just wear like one little dangly cross earring. They feel very lightweight, and they seem like they wouldn't be so hard to get on. They'd stay in well. Those are my thoughts about them. These definitely could be fun. Okay, so this next item is a button front tie-dye crop top from Band of Gypsys, size small, $55. So this one is size small. It fit me just fine. Tie-dye is definitely becoming a big trend this summer, so that's really great. And it's kind of a subtle tie-dye too. It's slightly cropped, but not too cropped. It's got buttons that will actually unbutton. And the back's pretty cute. It's got like kind of a cross little fabric in the back, and then it's got the little tie. It's got some cute tassels. The sleeves are actually cut, so they have like a slit, so they're not actually sleeves, they're just like more of a decorative sleeve. It is a very low cut though, and it's actually kind of stretchy too in the back. So that's this one. This one I actually really love. So this next item is also tie-dye. They sent me a few tie-dye things. So this would be a loose fit tie-dye twist back top from the brand Mystery in size small, and it would be $48. So this one's actually kind of fun. It's very comfortable. It's very loose and flowy. It's got a fun, like, large tie-dye pattern on it, and then the back is very low cut, so sorry in the clip. Didn't know what to pair with this very large back top. Okay, so I just looked at the tag. The paper says small. This actually says small to medium, so it's more of like a one size fits both type of thing. Yeah, this one was comfortable. I thought it was fairly cute. You'd have to figure out how to style something with the back to make it look cute, but it's definitely a fun top, definitely, you know, tie-dye summery. It could get hot potentially, but yes, this would be the next item. I thought it was a little bit like large looking on me, but that's like how it's supposed to fit, but you'll see the try on clip. Moving on. So this next item would be a cinched waist flare hem cami from the brand Mystery, size small, $44. So here it is. It is actually very see-through, so I did have to pair it with a cami top underneath. I think it's cute. It's like a cute little white basic. It's very sheer and see-through. It's kind of like a lace style, and it's cinched, and then it flares a tiny bit. It's got like a cute little like slightly V neckline. The back of it is also stretchy as well. My only problem with this top is that it's see-through, but you could definitely style that and turn it into not a problem, but actually a good thing, depending on what you wear underneath it. Yeah, I definitely think it's cute, white, basic top. So the next item would be a crochet knit fringe cover-up dress. It's from the brand Mystery in size small, and it would be $48. So here's what it looks like. It is a knitted cover-up. I would wear it as either a swimsuit cover-up, or what I paired it with the clip, I paired it over top of another dress because I thought it could be fun having the other color peek through, and also, what am I supposed to wear with this except for like a swimsuit? But the bottom of it is very fringy, which I absolutely love. It's got like a stripe of more tightly knitted material and then loosely knitted around like the top and the bottom. And then it's more of a tank top style. It's got a very like dip with a U-neck. But yeah, this would be the next item. So the next one's right here. It is a striped t-shirt mini dress from the brand Others Follow in size small, and it would be $55. So this is basically, as it says, it is a t-shirt but longer, so it is a dress. It's actually kind of ribbed, which adds to the texture and the material, and I like that. It's kind of loose. It feels really nice on. It's comfy, and it's got stripes. It's got like navy, mint green, and white. I mean, I'm a fan of t-shirt dresses. It's just like a straight up and down dress. You could dress it up with a belt or not. But yeah, this one, I didn't mind the fit of it. Like, it is a size small. It's definitely not fitted, but it's not like flared either. It's kind of just like straight up and down. But yeah, that would be this one, and I actually really did like the style of it. So this next one is a loose fit Hossy t-shirt from the brand Natural Life, size small, $42. So here it is right now. It's basically just a very long, loose fitted t-shirt, and it's got like this V that like continues down the shirt. It's very loose and flowy. It's very comfortable. It's just very long, and it's honestly looser at top, and then it like cinches down, and so then it's like fitted at the bottom. You can't really like hike it up to where it's like a natural waist without it looking very bunchy and awkward, and then you can't like have it pulled all the way down because then it looks like long and awkward. But I did also tie it up, and it was definitely much cuter tied up. Definitely a nice summer top tied up, but it's just very long, which is fine if it's tied up. But yeah, here would be this one. So the next one is another dress. It is a wrap floral print mini dress from Lost in Wonder, size small, $95. So here is this one. It's not a true wrap dress, but it definitely has like the little cross of fabrics in here. And with this type of dress, you have to be careful with it because, as you see, just like this, it's very like low and dippy, but you could also like make it very high if you wanted to. You just have to make sure you're not, you know, shimming around too much in it. But yeah, this one has a cinched waist. It has the ties, and then you can, you know, tie it as tight or as loose as you want. It's actually kind of like a leopard print. It's just like pinks and browns, monochromatic, neutrals, but it just looks like little like leopard spots on the dress. And then the bottom of it kind of has some ruffles. It's cute. And I'd say there's nothing too bad about this dress. Like, it's a nice dress, got some nice ruffles. It's fun. Okay, now I have another dress. So this is a fitted ruffle hem floral mini dress from Lost in Wonder in size small, and it would be $108. This is actually the most expensive item in this box. So this one is very fun. It is ribbed and stretchy throughout the entire dress, and then the bottom has a little bit of a flare on it, and then the sleeves also are like kind of flowy a little bit, and it's got lace around the edges. This one fit really well. It's definitely very fitted, and I think it looked really cute on. I actually really loved this one on me, but it's definitely a very fun, nice looking dress, and it's got some little flowers on it. So it's a floral pattern. But yeah, this would be this one. Okay, so the next item would be a tie front bandeau top from Lost in Wonder, size small, and be $60. So basically, I'm not going to be fully trying on this top for you because it does not cover anything. Like, I think it's a cute top, cute idea, but it's not gonna hold anything in. So I did try it on over top of a white t-shirt, but basically, here's the top. You put it on, and then you tie it in a little bow. So the little bow's keeping you in place. And then it looks like this. You can't wear anything underneath it, really. It's cute, sort of. Maybe if you're not me, you'd like this better. So that would be this one. I mean, if you're interested in tops like this, the color's nice. Like, the bow's cute. It's definitely like fitted, stretchy. You can tie it as tight or as loose as you want. Okay, next item. We have some high-rise distressed cropped mom jeans from Just Black Denim in size 28, and they would be $78. Okay, so here are these ones. I have some words about these jeans. These are like the perfect jeans, except they sent me them in the wrong size. But yeah, these ones are nicely distressed. They're actually not see-through at all, which is a problem that I have with white shorts or jeans. They're definitely like a straight down, slightly tapered pant. They're very high-rise, which I absolutely love so much. But yeah, these ones are cute. They fit fine everywhere, except for it's a little, you know, tight to squeeze into, but it's not that bad. So yeah, these are these ones. Moving on to the next ones. So the next ones are high-rise striped ankle kick flare jeans from Cut from the Cloth, size 28. They'd be $89. So this one, it says size 28 on the sheet, but it actually says size 6 on the pants. And these also say high-rise. They are 100% not high-rise. They are mid-rise pants. Here they are. Here's what they look like. I like the stripes. I think the stripes would be cute, but I tried these on and sis, this ain't it. These don't look good. These look like clown pants. Mostly I think it's just the flare, because they're slightly flared at the bottom, which I don't think you can see so much in the clip, so you probably don't know what I'm talking about. But I don't really think these are cute. So these ones actually fit me perfectly. These were the ones that fit perfect. They're actually very comfy. I just personally don't think they look good, but if you do, that's completely fine. Sign up for the app. Get these jeans if you want. I'll actually link it in the description. You can go check out the app there. I'll just put the link. And you can also follow me on Flip if you're interested. My username is just It's Emily Nicole. And you can like and dislike my items on the app as well and see all of the ones that I've tried on. But yes, this would be these ones. And moving on to the next item. Okay, so the next item would be high-rise raw hem acid wash denim shorts from the brand Blank NYC, size 28, $88. These ones I'm actually very sad about because they are so cute. Like, they're definitely in style. They're like acid wash. They've got the jean, the white. They're so cute. Like, I literally love them so much. They're literally perfect, and they're high-waisted too. The only problem is they are too small. I need just one size bigger, and then they'd even be slightly more high-waisted. They'd be perfect. They're not that bad though, but I definitely prefer them to be a size bigger. These are like the shorts that I didn't know that I need in my life. They're very cute. I like them a lot. Moving on. Okay, so the last item that I got in this box would be a high-rise destructed denim shorts from Blank NYC in size 28. And they'd be $88. Here's what they look like. These ones were the ones that did not fit. It's fine, I guess. Nothing I can do about it now. But these ones would have been cute. They're very distressed at the bottom. Just a simple white short. They're not very high-waisted, but they are like kind of high-waisted. And I can't really tell you how they fit because they're tight on me, but kind of sad they didn't fit proper. But that's fine. And this is the last item. Okay, so now it's my turn to go take pictures in every outfit, style them or wear them a little bit, and then I'm going to decide which clothes I want to keep for free. So I'm going to go ahead and do that right now, and then I'll come back as soon as I decide which ones I want to keep. Okay, hey everyone, so basically I took a few pictures of the clips and I decided what I wanted to keep, so I kept 4 items total. So now I'm going to show you some of the items that I kept. And so the items that I kept, I'm not going to go through it in too much depth, but I kept this top because I liked the color and the style of it. It's perfect for summer. I also ended up keeping this dress because I thought it just fit really nicely and it could be a fun dress for something. I also kept this dress because I do like a nice simple t-shirt dress because I can style it and dress it up. And I also kept this white top because I've been trying to get more basic items into my wardrobe so that I can dress it up with like other more fun items. So those are the 4 items that I decided to keep, and again, I paid nothing for them, but also disclaimer, I am a content creator, and so things are a little bit different for me than they are for anybody else who will just randomly download the app. And I've looked into it a little bit more, and you will get 30% off using your credits on any item you decide to keep. If you are a regular creator, this is a new thing, like they used to do it to where anybody could get it for free. Sorry if you were looking to get clothes for free and you're only able to get them 30% off at the moment, but either way, here's a way to get discounted clothes. Anyways, that is going to be all of the video. I will link the app in the description. It's just Flip Fit. You can follow me there if you're interested and vote on all my flips. Also, you can check out my Instagram to make sure you don't miss out on anything there. Also, make sure to give this video a like if you enjoyed it and watch a few other of my videos, because if you enjoyed this one, then you're likely to enjoy some of my others. And make sure to hit subscribe if you liked it as well, so that you don't miss out on any content that I post, because I am posting a bunch of moving out content which you're not going to want to miss. It's going to be so much fun. So subscribe to get updates on all of that. And I hope you enjoyed this video. Stay tuned for more videos like it because I am a flip content creator. Anyways, that's going to be all for this video, and I will see you next time. Bye!